want to tell you guys today that let's work. Let's work. Pull out your laptop. Come on. Come on, guys. Pull out your laptop. Set your setup. And let's do it. Oh, I'm already here. Okay. Let's go. What do we want? Okay, we came here all the way, flooding. Wide user with more relatable, high quality products and increase users' engagement. Ranking algorithms of e-commerce platforms take popularity of product into consideration. Still my ear aches, my throat aches, everything aches. So I added this to our setup so we can drink warm water whenever. Okay, provide users with more related that's the thing. That's the humanity's problem forever. This is not something. We don't have a outside observer like this. We say something is good if a lot of us say good. But sometimes there are cases that we also fuck. We human beings collectively fuck up in making a decision. The thing that a lot of them say is good is actually bad. It just takes time to turn out that they were dumb fucks. So yeah. And if our system only cares about what the users say, maybe users do not understand something, right? So we have to, it's very difficult, we have to let the whole system has to let people or the products who are not shown enough to be shown. Otherwise, we will end up, it's probable that we may end up situations that all of us is saying something good, but it is not good, right? What are the examples? Nazis, right? They were like the majority of a population were saying, for example, a lot of bad things are good. And they were just confirming each other all the time. They were confirming each other all the time. Majority was that, and it was like a positive feedback loop. If there was not an outside option to stop them, that would keep continuing probably. Or what is the other one? Slavery, right? A lot of people thought slaves are slavery is good. And it was something accepted by most of the people, but a minority of people decided that this is not something good. And then they grew. Any majority at some point was a minority. So, exactly. So just because majority wants something, okay, that sounds very against democracy, but well, okay, Nazi Germany was also a democracy, right? It came out of a democracy. So there are cases that this majority point of view does not work. Also, I guess that's part of the reason we have the, what is it called, a judge system. We have judges, right? Even in democracy, they are not chosen by the popular vote. Like, we as human beings understand that sometimes we get emotional, and if it is like a popularity vote, it won't be fair. That's the thing. That's the target. Popularity does not mean fairness all the time. And what we meant by fairness was a set of rules on your system that keeps it profitable or suitable for a long-term process, right? We talk about like fairness can make things happen in long term. If you want to have a system good for long term, fairness. If you want to exploit your system and make money ASAP, probably you should not be fair. You should go more towards scamming. But fairness is stable. Alright, now we are saying popularity does not mean fairness all the time. Meaning that if you go for the popular vote all the time, it may turn your system in long term into a system that is not good. And the example is Nikon ZF, right? So if the system goes by popularity all the time, it brings Nikon ZF all the time, and it floods the system. So, and after a while, now people who are looking for the camera cannot find it. So you need to, okay, for your system to be fair, you definitely need to leave some room for minorities to show. Yeah. And diversity to be seen. Interesting. So, you need to respect minority, otherwise your system gets flooded, otherwise your system loses its fairness. But how often, right? I like the idea of unengaged queries. I mean, if you leave room for your minority and less popular ideas or items, your system becomes more fair. But how much room should you pay? I guess you should not pay the same amount of attention you pay for majority. No, definitely no. Focus should be on majority, but once in a while you want to pay attention on minority. Why can't you take the focus from majority? Because first of all, the society should work for everybody, something like that. But also, otherwise majority makes minority. Making a minority is easy. You can always create a new minority. I feel a good idea is just fractionating over time. Majority should be understanding enough that once in a while, first of all, once in a while show minority, right? The same idea on ranking algorithm. You show 4 more popular items, then in the 5th row show something from a different category. there will be always cause for minority, but don't make it too much. Don't make it too much. Yes, if you're a good majority, be nice. Be nice to other minorities. It shows how the fuckhead you are, how good you are. You should be judged when you are in majority. Alright, flooding. Fuck this. And increase users' engagement. More user attention, transmit to other product, right? So that's the idea. Popularity should not be the only thing taken into consideration. Users' behavior. That's why we need an outside. Yeah. We need an outsider. We cannot have a closed system. It will get fucked up. That's a good idea. Every closed system gets fucked up. You need to have interaction with outside. To show you the blind spots. To show you your blind spots, you need an outsider. Somebody outside the population to say what is good or what is bad. If majority goes by its understanding that what is good, what is bad, okay, Nazi Germany may happen, slavery may happen, difficult. But a lot of time majority is also right, most of the time. Majority is right. So this doesn't mean that minority should be empowered. That's assumed. But it doesn't also mean that whatever majority says is right. Majority can change their mind. Okay, I talked it so many times. I think I'm just missing something here. I'm not completely happy. User engagement, popularity of product further gains more users' attention. Other product pushes it to the top of the list. So the thing is that is something right because we say it is right, or it is right by itself? That's it. It's like, again, back to the fairness. Does the position has value or item gives value to that position? I think it's just cycle. So something is right, we do it. It's not similar, or is it? Something is right, we do it. That's it. An action by itself is not right. Action depends on the situation. Fuck it. I have to go. I have to finish this shit. And I don't want to talk. Dude. You're right. should we have unengaged queries? We should have unengaged items. By the way, you show a product to somebody who doesn't have that intent. The product gets a negative score, which is not good. It's not good. You show the product as the platform. You show the platform to somebody who didn't like it, and then you say that product is not good. No. Maybe the user was looking for something else. Oh, okay. That actually is kind of a weak negative in the feedback loop, right? Let's assume everybody is like the algorithm is flooded with the lenses. Now you can't show lenses for a long time, and all the consumers who wanted camera, they will be unhappy. Then algorithm catches up and starts to give negative score, not positive score to the camera, but negative score to the lenses, and brings them down. So is there a fairness that we can achieve in long run? I don't know. Let me see. To fight again. Against the popularity element. But the good thing is that we can always diversify our presentation to different consumers and get a better understanding. We can always have a test population. Fighting against the popularity. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna add this part. And what else? So, but the thing is that, okay, there are some good stuff that are not engaged and we didn't pay attention to them. but they are lost among a lot of bullshit that the algorithm also decided not to show because they have been proven that they do not work. And what is our tool to make this distinction clear? We don't know, because the only thing we observe is the things we can measure, like users' interaction. All right. I guess that's it for here. Previous work is complete. What are the missing parts? Objectives. This is flooding, previous work, approaches. That's it. And after well, in methodologies and approaches, I want to add. We need to update our notation, but I want to also add a paragraph. Experimental, because we have this different forms of presentation. How can we say one is better than the other? We need to experiment it, and then we need to have an experimental setup for comparing. How to compare the effect of different and how we run the experiment. That's it. Put that here. Impact. What is the impact? I want to write down some stuff here just to have something we can talk about, and then what are the risks, what are the midterm or final metrics for success. University lab researcher qualification will be university sharing we will engage with. Okay, this part definitely I can do. Random thoughts. Yeah, let's also finish these parts. Okay, I I'm gonna take a break, get some water, and come back. So, what is left? Writing. Writing is left. Action. So methodologies and approaches. Ah. Yeah, mathematical modeling. These notes are old. Okay. I think I just need to edit this stuff. I don't want to go inside the math, to be honest. Should, because this is not super mathematical. This project, I rather not be very mathematical. Yeah, let's rank. Dude, I drink so much water, I have to go. Alright. Let's fix these easy parts. University lab researcher qualification. Thesis, exactly. Sample. By the end of October. We would like to minimize the cost and maximize benefits for all that. Just bullshit, dude. Just bullshit, dude. Oh, university. Let's go university, bro. Change. Ooh, how much do you talk about half for you? Honestly, I don't know about request. Okay, let me just write my own part. What do I have here actually? Uh, this is the guy. Okay, we go ChatGPT. Proposal as PhD student, researcher. to our research is focused on human AI interaction, economical aspects of human work. I use to game theory mechanism design to study users from online platforms. My previous work studying the value of data in competitive markets, how to sell data to firms that are in competition, how to sell data through auction. Oh shit. Don't update your memory. Okay, no, this is not good. Give the I didn't say production. From third person. You can Let's read it.
Amir Nouripour is a PhD student at the Laboratory for Information and Decision Systems, LIDS, At MIT, working under the supervision of Professor Daly. His research focuses on the economic aspects of human and AI interaction, utilizing tools such as game theory and mechanism designed to analyze user behavior on online platforms. Through his work, Amir seeks to uncover how these interactions influence decision-making and strategic behavior in digital marketplaces. Amir's prior research centered on the value of data in competitive markets, specifically examining optimal strategies for selling data to firms in competition. He explored various auction mechanisms as a method for determining the value of data, shedding light on how data can be effectively marketed and sold in competitive environments. His contributions aim to enhance the understanding of the economics of data, platform strategies, and the role AI plays in shaping market dynamics.
That's good actually, let's add it. That's me, that's right. That's me, that's right. Okay. Oh, okay, let's add also. That sounds good. Jet. Journal of Economic Theory. What was the Sounds good. Uh, Always can get better, but let's see. Um, let's go. Let's go see Monzer, principal investigator. Yeah, I also emailed Ehsan already. So by the time we are ready, we can have a meeting, hopefully. Professor. So let's go see what is Monzer. I don't know if this introduction is for introduction you wanna add there. Right? I know. I leave it to Monzer. Uh, I should actually. I added. That's it. And then I wanna talk about what do I wanna talk about? Today I will go to the gym. Last few days I didn't even went for a walk. I will now. I am good enough to go to the gym. Yeah. Otherwise I feel worse. I won't go very strong and heavy in the gym. Just wanna go there. Remind my body that you have to get ready. All right. University lab researcher qualification. Oh, it is this part. Expected product output. Expected product output. Okay, so they mixed impact and expected product output. By the way, the paper is, it's not a paper, it's just a project too. one page. So we say a product that would impact. Yeah, or you maybe want to talk about this stuff more before jumping into the model. Definitely we need Ehsan's opinion on this. But I want to add my own version first to have something. I don't want to fucking... No counter right now. No fucking counter. Even one paragraph, okay. Now let's complete the impact section. No. Impact of... Okay, fuck off. Technology. Let's try a new one. Oh, jazzy then. Let's complete feedback. Not feedback. Let's write. So what is it? impact? How does it relate to farmer eBay tries to solve by research. There is a search gives helps us eBay to come with help eBay to come up with a more effective way to show to effectively show product items. Research helps the way to come up with a more effective way to effectively show a more effective way to effectively show the products items related to a broad query. To a broad query. To better understanding of user intent using categorization. It stops the search results from extreme cases. Wow. What is it? Well, these parts are becoming repetitive because we already mentioned them in the previous. Flooding. This is enough. What was that? Winner takes all. Or flea market. Or highest frequent. How to find an address, blood spots of the ranking algorithm. what was the other one? If you're successful, what will differences it makes? What application? Okay. If successful, what differences makes yeah, taking the customers through a more satisfying shopping journey. Where through a more satisfying shopping journey where they can find what they want easier. Stop loss of consumers. The loss of consumers who cannot find what they want and that's what I have in mind already. And then if successful, what applications are enabled? I don't know what honestly. What applications are enabled as a result? Well, it increases the sale because consumers find. Our measurements are popularity, and what we are looking for is not popularity, it's just how good. Applications more more efficient, presentation of the items in whole set ranking. Let's go see what's up. Dude, honestly, I don't know what's going to happen with ChatGPT. It's getting too big, scary. Well, what is there different? No, I don't want the second one. I want these questions be answered implicitly, right? Yeah. Can you read it? Well, I wish you gave me the second. Ah, it gives both of them. Alright. How can you read?
Impact section. This research directly addresses a critical challenge that eBay and other large
This
e-commerce
research directly
platforms
addresses
face.
a critical challenge that eBay and other large e-commerce platforms face: how to deliver relevant and personalized search results for broad user queries.
Because I like my ChatGPT voice better. But
Impact section. This research directly addresses a critical challenge that eBay and other large e-commerce platforms face: how to deliver relevant and personalized search results for broad user queries. eBay strives to offer an effective and intuitive shopping experience, yet their current ranking algorithms may lead to extreme outcomes such as a winner-takes-all effect, where a few popular items dominate visibility, or a flea market effect, where the variety overwhelms users with irrelevant results. Furthermore, the platform risks falling into biased feedback loops, where the items shown first tend to receive more clicks, skewing future recommendations in favor of already popular products. These inefficiencies can prevent users from finding what they want and degrade the overall shopping experience. By focusing on understanding user intent more effectively through improved categorization, this research offers a framework for eBay to refine how it ranks and displays products, particularly in response to broad queries. This includes identifying and addressing blind spots in the current ranking system, ensuring that a wider range of relevant products are surfaced, and minimizing the distortion caused by extreme feedback dynamics. This approach aims to break the cycle of biased loops and create a more balanced presentation of options for users. If successful, this research will lead to a more satisfying shopping journey for eBay customers. Users will find it easier to navigate the platform and discover products that closely match their needs, even when their queries are broad or vague. This reduces frustration and the likelihood of losing potential customers who may abandon their search due to difficulty in finding relevant items. The resulting application of this research is a more efficient presentation of items in whole set rankings. This would optimize how eBay presents its inventory, creating a balance between relevance and variety. It not only improves the overall user experience, but also helps eBay retain more customers, increase sales, and minimize the issues caused by overly dominant products or irrelevant search results. Ultimately, this
Very
research
nice.
will provide eBay with actionable
I
insights
wouldn't
into
be able
refining
to
its
write
ranking
it by
algorithm,
any chance.
improving both user engagement and satisfaction.
Great job, great job. I'm so proud of you, ChatGPT. Dude, if I would to edit it myself, I should give my stand-up ideas to ChatGPT too. We can work it together. I will give it. However, there I care more about editing myself. But here I don't care about editing. Because in science what you care is what you say, not how you say. Alright, also, a lot of my ideas for open mic is just, I think, ChatGPT says, oh, it's against that, blah, 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 blah. Where is the impact section? Fuck other large e-commerce platforms. Well, maybe it's good. Let's keep it.
This research directly addresses a critical challenge that eBay and other large e-commerce platforms face: how to deliver relevant and personalized search results for broad user queries. eBay strives to offer an effective and intuitive shopping experience, yet their current ranking algorithms may lead to extreme outcomes such as a winner-takes-all effect, where a few popular items dominate visibility, or a flea market effect, where the variety overwhelms users with irrelevant results. Furthermore, the platform risks falling into biased feedback loops,
Well,
where
these
the
parts
items
are
shown first
becoming
tend to receive
repetitive,
more clicks, skewing future recommendations in
but
favor of already popular products.
yeah, let's
These
have them
inefficiencies
now.
can prevent
We
users from
can
finding
remove
what
the redundancy later.
they want and degrade the overall shopping experience. By focusing on understanding user intent more effectively through improved categorization, this research offers a framework for eBay to refine how it ranks and displays products, particularly in response to broad queries. This includes identifying and addressing blind spots in the current ranking system, ensuring that a wider range of relevant products are surfaced, and minimizing the distortion caused by extreme feedback dynamics. This approach aims to break the cycle of biased loops and create a more balanced presentation of options for users. If successful, this research will lead to a more satisfying shopping journey for eBay customers. Users will find it easier to navigate the platform and discover products that closely match their needs, even when their queries are
I'm
broad or
telling you
vague.
guys,
This
ChatGPT
reduces
is the
frustration
recommender
and
system too.
the likelihood of losing
Future
potential
is all
customers
about
who may
studying
abandon their
recommender
search due to
system.
difficulty in finding relevant items.
I should open
The
the
resulting
university
application
myself.
of this research is a more efficient presentation of items in whole set rankings. This would optimize how eBay presents its inventory, creating a balance between relevance and variety. It not only improves the overall user experience but also helps eBay retain more customers, increase sales, and minimize the issues caused by overly in-end products or irrelevant search results. Ultimately, this research will provide eBay with actionable insights into refining its ranking algorithm, improving both user engagement and satisfaction.
Perfect. Expected product output. I just remembered, as someone told me, the names we chose for these presentations may change. Okay, I added some, but it is Amir actually. Why don't we have a son? Better name. Okay, I will add it under my own name. But this is something Exxon said here. Well, just checking if Exxon can add things. Exxon. Yes. Okay, let me see what I would name myself. One-dimensional model. One-dimensional. I say implicit category presentation. That's it. Two-dimensional version. Two-dimensional. Yeah. I don't know, honestly. Yeah, choose a good name. Let's leave it to Hassan. And what are the risks? There is no risk. If you don't take the risk, what is the risk? There is no risk. There is obvious inefficiencies and we are finding it. Midterm and final checks, metric for success. POC models and algorithm, reports, publication, experiments, learnings. What is POC? Process. Proof of concept, point of contact, people of color. We are people of color. Proof of concept. Actually, that's a good idea. This is what I added. Experimental setup. Let's see what the other paper did. What they actually gave here. I don't have energy to read. I do have energy to read. We should talk like that. Don't you love a company like eBay? Okay, let's do some advertisement for eBay here. What an amazing company you should be, that you go and do research on how your customer should have a better experience while they are on your platform. This is a sign that you need to, like, once you care about your customers will like you too. I really appreciate them. Then input add human label according to the task. Training day. What about controversial topics? Again, popularity. So many people like it, so many people, and usually people who hate are the ones who leave comment or give explicit feedback. That's good. That's a good idea to ask here. I want to know Ehsan's knowledge about this. How to go wow, what is a controversial topic? How to recognize a short topic. That actually is a good thing too. Is it controversial? Is controversial against the unengaged or the flooded? What? Which one? Is it an extreme point? How to recognize a controversial topic? A lot of people leave positive. Which? Not fans on either. Or the user's experience from alright, perfect. Then I don't know what are the risks. So let's ask this question. Oh shoot, okay, you read it too. you talking about? You can't.
Read aloud the following text. Impact and expected product/output. At eBay, we have numerous supervised classification tasks, for example, to predict whether an item is counterfeit or not, or to predict the leaf category from the title. The input varies from numerical and categorical values to text, image, and recently to audio and video. The usual process is to sample a good amount of data to represent the task, and add the human label according to the task to form training data. Human annotation is expensive and time-consuming, and we would like to minimize the cost and maximize the benefit from the annotated data. Also, we always have these common questions when building a new model. How much data do we need? How diverse should the data be? Do the training data and the forthcoming requests have the same property distribution? What about in n months? How often do we need to update the model? Which data should we use to evaluate the updated model? New data, old data? The proposed project aims to help us provide a framework for active learning and continual learning for supervised classification tasks, which is the most common use of ML models in eBay, PRCI models, language detection, visual object recognition tasks, various ranking functions in search, text classification, and so on. A solution that can reduce the cost of preparing training data, and advise on how to update the model that we need to evaluate only on new data without forgetting the past, will significantly formalize creating and maintaining supervised classification models at eBay and will reduce the overall cost. Deliverables. 1. POC models and algorithms, eBay GitHub repository. A. Delivering the existing state-of-the-art method on eBay data, 5th month. B. Active domain adaptation on text classification. I. On a public task similar to eBay use case, example Amazon review, 6th month. 2. On eBay specific task, example PRCI problems, 8th month. C. Active continual learning on text classification. 6.
Alright, I don't think they address that. What are the risks? Midterm and final checks, metric for success, learnings. Okay, yeah, let's answer these questions. Honestly, I don't know. What are the risks? I have no idea. What are the midterm and final checks? Metric for success. I say lots to experimental setup. So let's complete these red parts. Okay, that part I'm not gonna finish it. So the missing part is the notations. Notations and matching it with the grand design. One I say more details on notation. 2 is associates with grand design. Two is answering all Amir questions. Three is reading Airbnb paper. And four is, what is it? That's it. Sounds good for now. Can we read the Airbnb model first, actually? It's 8 pages. I'm gonna read it now, actually. Do I wanna play counter? Yes. Will I do it? Yes. So Airbnb next time. Yeah, it's getting 2 hours. One round. One warm up, one round. 2 rounds. Fucking, we never do 1 round.
Let's roll.
Again, the sunlight is annoying, guys. Oh, I just need to wake up earlier. That's what I need. These are bullshit, but every day changing my table. Well, he's here. I cannot change anything about that. Oh, headshot, by the way. I thought I got it. It jumped. Shatakov. Oh, dude, come on. 3 people from that aisle is too much. That aisle is like, if your aisle is taken, you are done. This means that group is far better. Oh my god, okay. How many are there? Guys, don't move a lot there near. Yeah, we cleaned the aisle. That's a big success, by the way. Dude, my bullets do not hit their fucking big head. That was the warm up. Yeah, I need to get up. Actually, I can't do that now. I can't really get up early in the morning. I don't want to stay up to 2 a.m. It's just stupid. Let's get up at 8, sleep at 12. Best life ever. That's what I want. Bro, what are we doing? Shut the gun. Oh. Oh. Again, they are better than us, so we will stay. Don't move a lot, brother. Ugh. Even their butt is over here. Oof. Oof. I don't want to move too much. I don't want to move too much. Oof, 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 oof. I feel clear-headed. You see that? You're better than us. I don't need. Oh shit. Are we clear? Yeah, let's not. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bro, come on, give me. How is that possible? Maybe some people cheat here. Where is this? I cannot see anything, to be honest. Machine gun is for close distance. What do we have done? Did you see that? Oh my mother! There's so many of them. Oh, shit. Did you see how I closed the angle here? That was a professional piece of art. They jump, bro. They jump. Shit is jumping. What killed me? Takes so much to kill. Let's go with them. Oh, shit. Where are they coming from? Where was it? Where is this noise coming from? I did a good run, by the way. It was not a easy match, but oh my god, I got a good stuff. I got a shot. Oof. Do you think somebody will get another knife before? Yeah, I was pretty good. Like yeah, they were pretty good too. Okay, the last one, right? Or maybe just last night I couldn't do anything. Now it's better. Somewhere. Oh, by the way, Frozen was there last night too. Where are these fuckers? Let's go read on knife. Oh shit. Wait, who should? Two at a time. Not everybody who sits down. Dude, why can't I kill? What the fuck? I think I'm missing them. Oh, shoot. What's he? Ooh, this guy can jump. That was so hard. Dude, again? Fuck you, bitch. That was pretty good. I'm happy. Who is this email from? Thanks, guys. That was good. I wish me I get better sooner. I will go get my second pill of the day now and come back for the Airbnb paper.